Now, let me give you a tip on applying Beard Balm. I remember the first time I used Beard Balm. Truth is, a little dab will do you. Just take a small amount, put it in the palm of your hand, and run your hands together to spread it out. If you're using balm, this is especially necessary so that the balm melts in your hands and you won't look like you have hunks of butter in your beard. So spread it onto both hands and your fingers, then apply to your beard, making sure to get full coverage. And wrap it up by using your fingers to shape your beard or lightly brush it for the finishing touches.